Hello students, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Bache, we were doing our first chapter, that is nature and purpose of business, and today we are doing its last topic, that is about the business risk. We have done what do you mean by the term business, what do you mean by the term commerce. Okay, so if we are talking about the business, I have already told you that business always set up for the purpose of the profit. We people know that all the business houses, they are working for the profit margin. Okay, because they are in the need of the profit for the upliftment of their organization, for the expansion of their organization, for the growth and survival of their organization. So at the same time, I have told you that profit and risk is a part of the business only. If the profit is a part of the business, then the risk is also one of the most important part of the business, because whenever we are talking about the profit, naturally we are talking about the risk too. Both these terms, they are dependent upon one another and they are directly related with one another. Like I have already told you that more risk means more profit, less risk means less profit. I have used this term number of times, risk. Okay? Today in this module we will study what do you mean by the term risk. What do you mean by the term business risk? Risk is regarded as the uncertainty, or we can say risk is regarded as any kind of unexpected condition. Any unexpected condition which is beyond our control. For example, whenever business house, whenever some person is opening up the new business concern, they definitely 100% surely they are going in for the insurance. Why they are taking up the insurance policy? Just in order to cover up the risk. In case in the future we are confronted with any kind of the risk, we should have the surety from any of the organization that particular organization will stand behind us. Same is the case with the insurance also. जब भी हम किसी तरह की इंश्योरेंस लेते हैं, तो वो क्या होती है, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी we can say it is standing behind every person who is taking up the insurance to give him the guarantee कि अगर तुम लोगों को कोई नुकसान हो जाता है, then insurance company will give you the compensation. ठीक है? So why this compensation is needed? Just because of the unexpected condition. हमें नहीं पता कि रिस्क आ जाएगा, ठीक है, but whenever the businessman they are thinking of the profit motive, they have to keep in mind the factor of the risk also. Clear? Like we can say for example death is also uncertain in nature. हमें नहीं पता कि इस बंदे ने मर जाना है, ठीक है, but we can say that condition is uncertain in nature. So risk, what is the basic definition of the risk? Risk refers to the probability that arises due to uncertainty. Probability means हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता, but the thing is that the businessman they always have to keep in mind the term risk whenever they are thinking up of the profit margin. Clear? Next we are having that is the nature of the business risk. First is risk arises due to uncertainties. Uncertainties means unexpected situations जिनका businessman को नहीं पता कि हाँ ये भी problem आ सकती है, ठीक है. So that can be, we can say like change in demand. Change in demand means business house कोई product को produce कर रहा है, ठीक है, that product is meant for the sale in the market, consumers are purchasing that product, ठीक है, but sudden there is a change in the fashion in the outside world, ठीक है, कोई सडन चेंज आ गया फैशन में, एज अ रिजल्ट क्या हुआ, उस बिजनेसमैन के जौन से प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो बिकने कम हो गए, ठीक है. इफ ही इज डीलिंग अप विद द लेस सेल मींस ही इज गेनिंग अप लेस प्रॉफिट ऑल्सो, ठीक है. सो दिस इज अगेन द रिस्क. बिजनेसमैन दे हैवंट थॉट अबाउट कि हाँ अभी देयर इज अ चेंज इन द we can say fashion of the consumer also. ठीक है, so that is also regarded as a risk because इस चीज का किसी को कोई पता नहीं होता. ठीक है. Second is we can say there is a certain change in the governmental policy. ठीक है, or there is a certain change in the technology. ठीक है, suppose I am doing up the business. For that purpose, I have purchased a very effective machinery from the market. ठीक है, I have launched that machinery. I have started up with the production process with that machinery, and I have start selling up the products in the market also. ठीक है, but जौन सी मेरी rival organization है, ठीक है, means the person who is selling the same product as I am selling, ठीक है, he has also purchased some machinery, but his technology is improved as compared to my technology. ठीक है, तो naturally there will be the certain kind of changes in the production process also and the quality of the product that he is producing in the market. ठीक है, so again as a result क्या आ जाएगा, मेरे सामने क्या आ जाएगा, I am confronted with the risk factor. Why I am confronted with the risk factor? Because I haven't thought about this concept कि yes, this kind of risk will arise in front of me. Clear? So what is this? This is regarded as that business risk arises due to uncertainties. Uncertainties जिसका कोई पता नहीं होता. Second is business risk is the essential part of every business. I have already told you कि yes, if the profit is the essential part of every business, then the risk is also the essential part of the every business because profit as well risk, they go hand in hand. Next we are having business risk depends upon the nature and size of the business. Yes, if we are talking about the large scale organization, naturally they are confronted with the large profits also, and if they are confronted with the large profits, at the same time they are confronting with the large risk also. Same is the case vice versa. If we are talking about the small organization, their profit margin is small as well as their risk factor is very less. ठीक है, so we can say that the risk factor, it also depends on the size of the business organization. ठीक है, they have used the term nature also. Nature means when we are going to do our second chapter, that is the forms of business organization. Over there, बच्चे, we will do various forms like sole proprietorship or Hindu undivided family, partnership will be there, company will be there. ठीक है, so at that time we are talking about the nature. Sole proprietorship business means the business that is handled by only single individual in the market. ठीक है, and partnership business means the business being held by partners. ठीक है, by more than two persons in the market. तो naturally partnership कब फॉर्म होती है, जब बिजनेस का साइज लार्ज होता है. सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप कैसे होएगा, जब बिजनेस का साइज स्मॉल होएगा. ठीक है, so it depends upon the nature and the size of the business organization. Next we are having that is business risk is the reward for bearing the risk. Business risk, or we can say profit is the reward for bearing the risk. Over here profit is the reward for bearing the risk. Yes, I have already told you more risk means more profit. Less risk means less profit. If more risk will be there, more reward will be there. If less risk will be there, then less reward will be there. Okay, so these all are the nature of the business risk. Uncertainties, essential part, nature and size of the organization, and reward for bearing the risk. Okay, and I hope the risk is clear. The meaning of the term risk is very simple. Okay, if we are talking about the day-to-day life also, number of risks we people have to confront. Okay, so business risk. Second topic under the business risks we are having, that is the causes of the business risk. Causes of the business risk. There are 4 causes of business risk, that is natural causes, human causes, economic causes, and physical causes. Now, what do you mean by the term natural causes? Natural causes means that we can say when the risk is dependent upon the nature and we are not having any control over it. जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना नेचुरल रिस्क, ठीक है, जिसके ऊपर हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता, दैट इज रिगार्डेड एज ए नेचुरल रिस्क. You can take the example of floods. You can take the example of earthquakes. ठीक है, you can take the example of tsunami also. ठीक है, so these all risks are, we can say all these risks are natural in nature. ठीक है, and human beings, they are not having any control on such kind of the risk. ठीक है, so natural causes means what are the causes of the business risk? We can say the causes which are dependent upon the nature and human beings, they are not having any control over it. ठीक है, so that is regarded as the natural causes. Next बच्चे we are having human causes. Human causes means the business risk when arises, ठीक है, based upon the human behavior, or we can say, you can take the example over here, the employees. Employees, we are taking up the example. Employees are regarded as the human beings. ठीक है, तो जब बिजनेस रिस्क हमें किसी ह्यूमन की वजह से होता है, दैट इज रिगार्डेड एज द ह्यूमन कॉजेज. सिंपल एग्जाम्पल है, सपोज वी आर हैविंग द मीटिंग ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट, प्रिंसिपल मैम एंड द स्टाफ. ठीक है, एंड द मैनेजमेंट टोल्ड द टीचर्स एज वेल एज द प्रिंसिपल मैम दैट वट एवर वी पीपल आर डिस्कसिंग, ठीक है, यू शुड नॉट डिस्क्लोज एनीथिंग आउटसाइड, नॉट इवन टू द स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, बिकॉज इन दिस वे वी कैन अचीव द मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ द प्रॉफिट. और अगर इस इंफॉर्मेशन को किसी ने भी लीक किया, ठीक है, तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अपना प्रॉफिट नहीं कमा सकेगी. ठीक है, हम बोलते हैं ना कि एवरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दे आर गोइंग इन फॉर न्यू टू न्यू ट्रिक्स दैट हाउ दे कैन अचीव अप द प्रॉफिट्स इन द फ्यूचर. ठीक है, तो मीटिंग हुई, मीटिंग में मैनेजमेंट थी, प्रिंसिपल मैम थे, टीचर्स थे. ठीक है, ऑल दे हैव डिस्कस कि दिस इज हाउ वी कैन अटेन अप द प्रॉफिट्स एंड द मैनेजमेंट सेड नॉट टू डिस्क्लोज दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज सीक्रेट. ठीक है, एंड वी शुड नॉट डिस्क्लोज दैट. एज अ रिजल्ट क्या होता है, आफ्टर वी कैन से मंथ, मैनेजमेंट केम टू नो अबाउट कि जौन सी उन्होंने ट्रिक निकाली थी दैट इज कॉमन आउटसाइड. ठीक है, उसको हर एक स्कूल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉलो कर रही है. ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज दैट, दैट इज अगेन द रिस्क ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट, क्योंकि जितने प्रॉफिट्स उन्होंने सोचा था अब वो ट्रिक कॉमन होगी. नाउ दे आर नॉट एबल टू अर्न सच, वी कैन से सच अमाउंट ऑफ द प्रॉफिट्स. ठीक है, सो दैट रिस्क अराइजेस ड्यू टू द डिसऑनेस्टी ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द एम्प्लॉइज. ठीक है, सो दैट इज रिगार्डेड एज द ह्यूमन कॉजेस. नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग